What's up, everybody? This is a 2017 Ford F450, 19.5 aluminum wheels, and we do a shitload of tires. This is the first time I run into this. This center cap, it's just a push-on cap. It has like basically little tabs for every lug nut, and it just pushes on, but I could not get it off. And normally, if we can't get something off fairly quickly, since we do it so much, I stop because usually we're doing something wrong or it's something new I haven't seen. So I went online and I found that other people had problems and it took them hours to get them off. Normally you would just use that tool, pop, it might be a little hard, but usually you can just pop them off. It wasn't coming off. So someone said to use a ratchet strap with a board and it would pop off, and it worked. I did have to open up the end of the hook to get it to fit in the little tab in there, but it worked. So what I did, I ratchet strapped it in there, hooked it in to the little tab, put the board there, went over and hooked it in. And then let me just tighten this up a little bit. Alright, so I got it tightened up, and then all I had to do to get it off before, I'm already done, but I wanted to do a video so other people don't run into this problem. I think I just went in here and gave it a little pull. Let's see if we can get it. See if it'll come. Tighten up a little more. Also gotta worry about the strap flying around and hitting it. It comes off there. Let's see. Of course, trying to do the video doesn't want to work. There we go. It comes right off. So basically, in that little tab right there where I put the hook, and it comes right off. So hopefully I just saved somebody a lot of time trying to mess around with this or destroying it, because it doesn't really mess it up much. Put a little scratch on it, but you got to get it off. Hopefully that helped you. 2017 Ford F450 aluminum wheel, removing the center cap.